Namaskar, my name is Rupinder Khurana and I'm the director at IIHM Pune, and today we are with somebody who's very special to us, and I'm talking about somebody who has been a part of IIHM history because he was a student of the first batch of International Institute of Hotel Management at Kolkata. So we are with Mr. Bishwajit Biswas, who was a pass out in 1997. Am I right?
Yes.
And today he heads the property that is Fort Jadavgarh as a Kiledar, which is an equivalent of a general manager in a fort property. And welcome, Mr. Bishwajit Biswas.
Namaskar. Myself Kiledar of Fort Jadavgarh. As Mr. Khurana told, I am the first batch of IIHM Kolkata, passed out in 1997. And I am handling this property from 2011 until date I am here. IIHM in 1994, and during the course I have done my training from Goa and then passed out in 1997, and then I came to Mumbai for a search of job, and the college has helped us a lot for campus interviews, and I have joined the Resort Mumbai K. Raheja Group of Hotels. After working there for 3 years, I got the opportunity to work for Taj Landscent. It was a pre-opening property that time in 1999, and then I continued there till 2010, and then I left for better prospects and worked in Lilavati Hospital in a facility management, where I came to know about the ISO and other things, and then I have came to Pune and joined Fort Jadavgarh in 2011, and henceforth I am taking care of the property from 2011 out here. And it has been an exciting journey after passing out from IIHM, and during my career of 22 years, this is where I am now. I thank my college, what I am there today because of my college, the dedication and the teachers and the staff that were there to help us out during our academics. That has helped me a lot during this tenure of my career. Now I like to talk about something about my property, the Fort Jadavgarh. Fort Jadavgarh is a heritage property which was built in 1710 by Pilaji Jadav Rao, who was a Lieutenant General, you can say in general terms, but otherwise he was a Subedar during the time of Sahuji Maharaj, and he was very instrumental during the war with Baji Rao to conquer many wars, and he was a guide and guru for Baji Rao II. And there is a lot of historical things which is attached to this place, as this is the only Maharashtra's Fort Heritage Hotel. And this has got 58 rooms, luxurious rooms, and we do a lot of weddings, conferences, picnics, etc. and other adventure activities. And we do a lot of music festivals also. This is all about my property.
So Mr. Biswas, as you were saying that you have been associated with this property since 2011, and I'm sure you have been instrumental in making a lot of changes and bringing in a lot of newer aspects of technology into hospitality, and especially when we talk about a fort property, how easy was it for you to adapt the newer technology? Because whenever you have these international visitors coming in, I'm sure they definitely would like to remain connected, and not only would they like to enjoy the heritage aspect, but then definitely they would like to have the technology aspect also available to them. So how have you seamlessly and blended these two aspects, which is history along with the future, in this particular property?
I am taken over this place in 2011, and from there 2011 to 2021, if you see, there is a huge changes in the place, plus in the technology and the client profile and everything. We do a lot of weddings as such, as destination weddings, and we get a lot of conferences. A lot of international groups are coming, like Mercedes and all that, wherein the international guests are traveling to our property. So as far as the technology is concerned, we are at par with the modern technology, along with the heritage and the cultural and the contemporary things that we do out in resort. That is a mix and blend of the heritage and the contemporary and the technology that is at par with the market or international standard. So Vonno Bose for having this a huge platform wherein he has got the entire world in one platform through this YCO. and I've been in the Pune campus to see how the YCO takes place. It's a very fair and practical thing that happens, and from entire world, every corner of the world, students come and they participate in this thing. But unfortunately, this year, because it's pandemically, it cannot happen physically at the campuses of in IIHM. But overall, I salute the spirit of IIHM that they're doing it. They're not stopping the thing. They're doing it in terms of virtual also, wherein the students all over the world can continue and do it virtually. And it's a very good platform wherein we come to know about different cuisines and cultures of different countries, not only about our country, India, but for the different countries we come to know, and we learn a lot of things from this. And the first thing the best part of it that the world is one in terms of hospitality. That is what we have learned from IIHM, our college.
One last question for you, Mr. Biswas. The pandemic, of course, has made us change the way we used to go about things. But then I can see a lot of green shoots arising out of the pandemic situation. Hospitality industry is bouncing back. So what are your views? Because there are a lot of students who currently are a part of hospitality education, and there are many who are contemplating joining this industry in the future. So what would be your say to all those aspirants?
Things are evolving back. The economy is also going up. The corporates are also opening up. As corporates are working, but work from home is going on. But as far as the offices are they are evolving, the corporates are coming. In fact, the corporates have started coming to hotels, they're visiting the hotels, though not in a big numbers, but it has already started. So there's always a start, and the start is good. So whatever will happen for good. There are a lot of hotel chains are coming up to new hotels. A lot of projects are pending because of this pandemic, which are going to open very soon. So the industry will evolve back in 2021 itself. Maybe by September it will be back to normal to 100%, and it will be better than what it was before. That is what I am expecting from the industry, and that is what I think it will happen.
That was Mr. Bishwajit Biswas. Thank you so much for joining us. He is the Kiledar of Fort Jadavgarh.